Hello, my name is Nanayao Ifa. Uh, I took Dr. Collins' class last semester, and I believe it was a great class. I learned a lot, and I was able to use that in my internship. I currently intern at Horsham Clinic, and I also work at Horsham Clinic, where I work. I intern at the adolescent unit. Um, Last semester, I was just observing patient with my supervisor. But this semester, I'm carrying my own caseload, and I'm working towards that. I had I had I had a lot of difficult times because it was my first real internship, whereas I was being observed and being being aware of my surrounding, being aware of my judgment of client. I was able to learn from that, and this semester I was able to use transference and counter transference and work with patient. And moreover, I've used motivational interviewing when working with client last semester, and this semester I'm able to work with my client or patient, as we call it at Horsham Clinic, to be able to help them with what I've learned in class. But one thing that I do struggle with is confidence. I tend to not have confidence, but I'm building it up slowly and adjusting to it. So hopefully I'm looking forward to meet everyone in class and keep on working towards a common goal. Thank you very much for listening to me.